Hey guys, so we just got to the hotel. We're here in Vancouver. I am so excited to be here with Lush. I have no idea what they have planned, but we just got here. The room is so cute. They put so many nice touches on it. Thank you so much, Lush. I'm so excited for this week. The view from our room is amazing. That's Justin vlogging in the back. I think now we're gonna go find some food, but I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to see what Lush has in store for us. Thank you so much, Lush, for having us here. I can't wait to see what Lush.
Where are we going?
We're going to a place called Smack. They're gluten-free. They have tons of vegan options. It seemed like a good bet. It's right here.
Oh. So we both got curry.
I got the chana curry and you got the dal, right?
Yep.
Which they have 3 that are vegan, but she said these are the most popular. She did not mention the other one at all, so hopefully it's tasty. It smells really good.
Yeah, let's eat.
Yeah.
We had a delightful time at lunch, and we walked down to the water, as you saw, and now we are getting ready for dinner. We had a chance to sit in the lobby and talk to our wonderful contact at Lush, Nicole, and where are we going for dinner?
The UBC or UCB Gardens.
Yeah, so it's like this garden restaurant, which is actually outside, yeah?
That's my understanding. It's like a table out in the garden somewhere.
All right, well, let's do that. We're on day 2 in Vancouver. Tashina's not feeling well, so she's at the hotel getting ready. I'm gonna grab us some breakfast from that same spot we went to yesterday. Smack.
That was super fast.
Are you ready?
Not quite.
Are you ready to eat?
Almost.
Okay.
We're here at the Lush HQ. We're going to do a factory tour. We've done one before. I'll link to that down below, but I think this is going to be a different experience. Obviously, different time of year, different products. I'm really excited to be here.
I think we should do the rest of the video with you in this. Just like till Wednesday when we leave.
Flagship store in downtown Vancouver. We came here after the factory tour for a private event just to check everything out. It's been a lot of fun. I'm trying so many products that I've never used before, which is kind of a surprise to myself how many I've never used. You guys know how much I love Lush, so I'm really, really excited about all of this. I'm not really totally sure where we are, other than we went through Stanley Park to get here, and we're gonna have brunch, and then there's gonna be a talk about some stuff with Lush, so it should be pretty cool. Fancy mimosas.
So we're headed up to Whistler, and our new friend Gina. It's our new friend Gina.
Climbing on the branch, like, what?
She invited us to drive up with her so we could stop and get some drone footage. Really appreciate it.
We're gonna attempt this now.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a go. We found a clearing.
If there's no drone footage.
We're here in Whistler. We're about to go get some food. We just went axe throwing, which was a lot of fun. I was terrible at it. Justin was great.
It's true.
Now we're gonna find some food and hang out for a bit.